Vibe coding learned on Udemy, a beginner-friendly explanation of this new learning style in the AI era.
Have you ever heard of vibe coding? I think many people still do not really understand what it actually is.
The reason I became interested in vibe coding was a YouTube video by Satoshi Nakajima. The title of the video was Explaining the Trending Vibe Coding. He introduced himself by saying, "I'm Satoshi Nakajima." Watching that video made me wonder, what exactly is this? So I decided to learn more through a Udemy course.
There are 3 reasons why I chose Udemy. First, the course is beginner-friendly and easy to understand. Second, it allows you to quickly grasp the big picture. And third, you can try it out to see if you are really interested.
The Udemy course I actually took is Introduction to AI Programming with the Gemini CLI. Through this course, I was able to understand the basics of vibe coding with AI. I could also try it out in a short amount of time, which was very helpful. The course is about 3 hours long and costs around 1,600 yen, so it is very affordable.
In traditional programming, you had to write code line by line. That meant you needed a solid understanding of syntax and libraries. However, vibe coding is different. All you have to do is describe what you want in natural language, and the AI generates and executes the code for you.
Vibe coding is ideal for people like these. First, people with no coding experience. Second, people who want to bring their ideas to life. And third, people who want to prototype quickly.
So, what exactly can you do with vibe coding? For example, you can build a template for a website, or organize data and turn it into graphs. You can also create simple apps or chatbots, and even automate tasks in Excel or spreadsheets.
Let me explain how vibe coding works in a slightly more technical way. Behind it is a large language model, or LLM. The LLM understands natural language and automatically generates code. When that code is executed, it produces results, such as graphs. Let's take a look at the workflow of vibe coding. First, a person describes what they want to do in natural language. Then the AI, meaning a large language model, understands it. The AI generates code, and by executing that code, the results are produced. Vibe coding has both benefits and limitations. As for the benefits, even beginners can create working code in a short time. You can quickly try out new ideas, and for programmers, it can improve work efficiency. On the other hand, there are also limitations. The generated code is not always perfect. However, by learning step by step, you can expand what you are able to do. Here is a quick summary of what we've covered so far. Vibe coding is a new method of creating programs by conveying your intent to AI. Through the Udemy course, I was able to understand the overall concept.
For me, it was the perfect starting point to decide whether I was truly interested in it.
Now that AI can write code, why not experience it yourself? Try out the cutting edge with a Udemy course.